Hey everyone, what's up? It's your girl Naturally Shavonda Michelle. I'm back with brand new content. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made Crumbl Cookies, blueberry muffin strudel cookie from scratch. Guys, it's not that hard to do like these cookies. And guys, I followed the instructions. I actually looked up the recipe. I followed the instructions. I was missing only one ingredient for this recipe. So, since I was missing one ingredient, I thought I would switch it up a bit. And I actually added lemon juice and lemon zest. I was really asking for a vanilla flavor. I was out of it, unfortunately. But, guys, I just want to switch it up a bit. So, guys, I did just that. And, guys, I tell you, this cookie was so moist, so flavorful, so delicious. I even had my little baby cousin help me out by adding blueberries in the mixture. This video is really easy to do, really dope. If you do want to make this as a vegan recipe, basically you can just pull out the egg. Don't add egg. You could probably add just egg, like a vegan substitute or something like that. But this recipe is very simple, very easy to do. You just start up with your butter, your oil, and some sugar. You mix those ingredients together. Then, guys, you go in with the next thing, which will be your egg, and you would add your vanilla flavor, but I added lemon juice and lemon zest. Then you go in with your flour. Then you add your blueberries. And actually, guys, what I did was I added an abundance of flour because I wanted my mixture to be real thick but moist. And I actually set my mixture in the refrigerator for a bit just for it to solid up. And then I took it out. I added more blueberries to it. And I added a little bit more flour. And I mixed everything together. Then I actually got a scoop and scooped out my cookies on the tray for it. And then I added my crumble topping. Basically, my crumble topping was this cobbler mixed seasoning. And I used sugar and flour and butter. And I just mixed everything together. And I topped it on top of the cookie. Put it in the oven. Once it was done, guys, I let it cool. I took a spatula, got my cookie out, and broke it so you guys could see what it looked like, and dipped it in some milk. Guys, when I tell you, this whole recipe was just so amazingly delicious. It was so good, guys. I loved making this recipe. I am going to try my best, guys, to do more baking content since I've really enjoyed this type of content that I created. I love cooking, so you guys know I had to try something different for my channel, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this content. If you guys got any more questions, you got comments, leave it below. Also, guys, the ingredients where I did it will be below, but if you want the original ingredients, I will actually link the website where I got the full recipe for Crumbl's blueberry muffin strudel cookie. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video 2 thumbs up. You guys got anything you want to ask me about this content right here, do let me know. Thank you again for watching. Come again. More content. If you want to see content like this, here again, like another baking content, let me know, because I have a lot of great ideas that I want to come up with. I want to do this again, so let me know if you want me to try to make it as a vegan recipe. I will do so just to bring you guys more content. I love just giving you guys my all and showing you guys how much I love to cook. So I thank you guys for watching. Thank you again. Come again. Enjoy the full video. Bye, guys.